Welcome back to Suzieandersonhome. Today we're excited to share part 3 of our 2024 Festive Themes series, where we'll be showcasing the timeless charm of traditional Christmas decor. If you missed parts 1 and 2, I've included links in the description box below, along with a link to our festive styling ebook. This resource is filled with step-by-step guides, planning checklists, and inspiration from previous years to help you create your own look. Now let's get started. The traditional Christmas style. Our final look draws inspiration from the classic red and green colour palette, evoking nostalgia and warmth. It's a theme I love to feature in at least one room of our stores each year. The beauty of this style is in its versatility. You can keep it understated or go all out with extravagant details. The colour palette. The traditional Christmas palette includes ruby red, green, gold and white, with accents of silver, midnight blue, navy and bronze to add depth and sophistication. The decorative elements. The tablescape. For something loved, vintage-inspired Indian block print tablecloths, placemats and napkins in rich reds and greens sets the foundation for this look. Other loved pieces include the hanging origami stars and paper art which adorn each place setting, grounded by rattan placemats and coasters. For something with lustre, muted gold cutlery pairs beautifully with tinted glass votives, ruby red cut glass goblets, tinted green glasses, tall brass candlesticks and pewter servingware. For something living, I incorporated a snowy frosted green garland as the centrepiece. I laid it with fresh ruscus in bud vases and a trailing vine hung overhead. You could also include a mix of holly stems, magnolia leaves, red roses, pine branches, poinsettia flowers, fresh red apples or pomegranates. The festive tree and living room. Next, let's move to the festive trees and living room display. For the Christmas trees that frame the bookcase, I kept the design simple yet elegant, using glass baubles in shades of green, gold, midnight blue, navy and red. This was complemented by a hanging garland which tied the whole look together, laid over the bookcase. Within the bookcase, I added touches of festive charm with paper standing trees, ceramic tea light houses, standing nutcrackers, and plenty of lush greenery and wreaths. Other festive accents in the living space included Christmas animals such as snowy polar bears and deer, as well as blue and white chinoiserie ceramics, paired with our signature storybook houses. For the final tree, I opted for a warmer palette with gold, copper and brass ornaments, glittering metallic garlands, and a mix of chinoiserie and handcrafted pieces completing the look. Layering and lighting. Layering was a key design principle here. On the table linens and soft furnishings, I incorporated a mix of patterns including botanical, geometric, striped, and abstract designs in varying colourways. I also introduced a variety of textures, velvets, cottons and linens to create visual interest and depth. For the lighting, I brought in layers of soft, warm illumination with fairy lights, floor and table lamps, and an assortment of battery-operated tea lights, pillar and taper candles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed part 3 of our 2024 Christmas themes. In our next and final video, I'll be sharing an ambient showcase featuring some of our favourite festive looks, paired with beautiful holiday music that you can play in the background to set the mood for your holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And always remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.